there, it's a very, very exciting morning here at the Sementia Learning and Development Farm.
Oh, 100%. 100%. It was good. It was great.
Well, it's really been impactful, networking, learning a lot. I also learned that you don't necessarily need to wait till you have everything. Just start small. You can start with two, just 2 or 3, and then you're good to go. So
beautiful. Please stay tuned as we all participate in the very first in-person farm management bootcamp happening right here at the Sementia Learning and Development Farm in Home.